Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable low data mode on Netflix to reduce bandwidth consumption, follow these step-by-step instructions to save mobile data or stay within internet caps. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your smartphone or tablet and ensure you're signed in to your account with an active subscription. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen to access account options and settings. Step 3. Select App Settings from the menu, which opens Netflix's application-specific configuration options for your device. Step 4. Scroll down to find the cellular data usage or mobile data usage option, which controls how Netflix uses your mobile internet connection. Step 5. Tap on cellular data usage and select the Save Data or Low option to limit streaming quality and reduce bandwidth consumption. Step 6. For Wi-Fi settings, visit netflix.com in a browser, sign in, and navigate to account settings to adjust playback settings for all devices. Step 7. Under playback settings, select low or medium data usage options, which limit video quality to standard definition or lower to conserve bandwidth. Step 8. Consider downloading content over Wi-Fi for offline viewing when using low data mode, allowing you to watch shows without consuming any streaming data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.